Okay, you're doing your thing.
Yeah. We are here in McDonald's. We're going to Tout Quarry, a sculpture park. So later on, we will see the picture of the carvings and mga sculpture na gawa sa limestone.
Okay, you're doing your thing.
Yeah. We are here in McDonald's. We're going to Tout Quarry, a sculpture park. So later on, we will see the picture of the carvings and mga sculpture na gawa sa limestone. So we are here in McDonald's waiting for the coach. This is only a day trip. So Chinita is on gala again.
We'll be back in the evening.
Yeah. While waiting for the coach, we're just having our coffee. See you later. Hi, hello. Andito na po kami sa Tout Quarry in Portland. Ito po yung place na dating na binuksan nila ng 1983 to become a sculpture park. So, eto, naglalakad kami dito. At merong mga berries on the side. Okay lang ate, kahit panat. At least meron kang berries na makikita. Ayan yung mga berries, oh. Ayan. Ayan yung mga berries. Let's taste. Yung itim. Ang, oh yeah. It's nice.
Berries.
Mamaya manguha tayo. Matamis. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung berries, oh. Ayan, pinipitas ko. Ayan. We can collect later. We can pick it up. Yeah, but for the meantime, eto, papasok kami dito sa Quarry Sculpture. This is a nature reserve park. Ito ay binuksan noong 1983. At ginawa nila ng mga carvings at saka maraming sculpture arts. And then, from 1983 to 1985, it was designed to be a nature reserve, sculpture artworks, and was managed by the Dorset Wild Trust Fund. Itong mga Portland rock formation na to is mga formation of limestones way back Titanium stage age of Jurassic period. So I will take pictures one by one and then I will post it so you can see. For the meantime, this is the place. Ayan, kukunan ko yung mga carvings. Nakikita mo. Ayan. At marami ritong berries. Nangunguha yung friend ko. Si Fatima. Ayan siya. Ayan yung mga carvings ng stone. These are limestone formation. So, ayan. May mga carvings talaga. May mga figures. This is what they call the sculpture artworks. So, ayan. Ayan yung surroundings. Maraming daing taong pumupunta. I will go up on that hill to see what is over there. Ito, yung Quarry Nature Reserve and Sculpture Park. Ayan. It's so beautiful. Ayan. Ito yung Tout Quarry sa Portland. So, makikita mo yung mga bawat figures ng stone, mga stone formation